Hi all, welcome to the another session on Python series. So we were covering upon we worked on some file operations, like how we can work with the file operations. Now in this video, I think this is lecture 19. Let's create a file. I think this is a file only I am creating. Let me see. Yeah, I'm creating a file, new file. So in this video, like we will be covering upon two small topics that are like what is seek and what are tell in Python. So what I am going to do, let's copy a simple code and let's don't write everything like from scratch. Let me copy the code which is available here in the lecture 17. I have closed this and let me remove this and rt, like okay, this is a file already available meet.txt and this is the right line. Let's run this and show you what data we are getting. I'm getting a data like meet is available on G5 and I love the meet is available, that kind of stuff it's showing. So today's topic is seek. Seek in the sense like how we can work with the seek. So let's do with the seek mb dot. I think I will be getting a seek function. Yeah, I am getting a seek function. Here I have to write the what is the line I have to refer with. Let's go with the 2. Let's write 2 and run it. Like now what data I'm getting? I'm getting an ETH. So he skipped the first 0 and first letter. It starts from the 0. So it's skipping 0 and 1 because I put a here 2. So in similar way, like you can write here 10 or whatever you can say, like to get the from which position like we should start reading the file. So this is how like you can work with the seek. Now what's tell? Tell will tell you you are at which position, which line, index, like it is there. So let me do like this. Let me copy paste something like. I generally do copy paste, yeah, seriously. I'm very much fond of doing copy paste because you should know how to do the copy paste. Tell. One more thing I have to do here. Okay, let me cancel this. I have to print it here. I think I don't need the read line for now. Let me run this and see what data I'm at read line. Which one? 65. I'm at a 65 location because from 10 I have started. Now let me do one thing, like let's print it at the top as well and now run it. You can see like I have at 0 location and at 65. And if I copy this and run it here, I now have to run this. So I'm at 10 position. Why I'm at 10 position? Because I move the pointer to 10 position using the seek command and then I run this mb.tell. By the way, read lines is used to print all the lines in the file. This was a small video like to demonstrate seek and tell. We will be covering upon some other topics in the next video. So till then, bye everyone.